channel. Today I have this dewy, glowy, glazed potato makeup look for you guys. You can say this is also my everyday to-go look if it's like really sunny here in Belgium. But yeah, here's the finished look, and if you want to know how I achieved this potato look, then keep on watching. I'm going to start this look with a primer. To conceal under my eyes and some spots that are bothering me. For primer I used the Ordinary High Adherence Silicone Primer. And for my concealer, I'm just using the Pro Longwear Concealer. For foundation, I'm also going to use a product from the Ordinary Coverage Foundation. We'll work with it. We'll work with it. I'm going to set my face with a yellow setting powder. This is from Beauty Bakery. Set the face. For the eyes, I am going to use the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's this beauty right here. And I'm just going to take burnt caramel as my transition shade. To take this orange color called Realgar or Volagar. It's this one, and I'm just putting it in on the outer corners. I'm just blending it out with the blending brush. Next I'm going to highlight my inner corners. I'm going in the same palette, I'm going to take Primavera, this one. I'll just pop it right in the inner corners. Now for the tricky part, I'm going to eyeliner. I hope I don't over wing it. I'm just using this super glazed eyeliner matte black by Essence. I think I'll do this step off camera because it can really take a long time, so I'll see you in a bit.
2 hours later.
Okay, this is the best I could do. Now I'm going to finish up the rest of the eye makeup. I'm going to use that same orange color that I used at the outer corners of my eyes, like this one, and mix it in with the dark brown color in the palette that I just put it here. Also blend it. I'll just put on a coat of mascara. And I'll just use some false eyelashes, not too dramatic, but you know, the lashes that are screaming, I'm still here. So let's do that real quick.
7 hours later.
Okay, lashes are on. So now what I'm going to do is warm the face a bit. You know, getting that crispy side of the potato. I'm just using this NYX Highlight and Pro Contour Palette, and I'll just warm up the face. So I'm just warming up the face a bit, just to have that crisp look. What I really want to contour is my jawline, because potatoes are round and my face is not round, so we'll make it rounder. I'm going to use a little bit of blush, just because we still want to be a cute potato. So I'm using this Super Shock Cheek Satin from Colourpop, and this is in the color Cheerio. Now for the real fun part. We want to look like a highlighted potato. So I'm going to use a few highlighters. First, I like to create that base to know how I'm going to build the highlight up. I'm going to use this highlighter from Benefit. The What's Up highlighter. And I like to use this just on my nose. I'll take a bit on my brush and I just focus it on the points I want it to be the most concentrated. And just slowly building it up. Like so. Too too much highlight. You can never have too much highlighter, but if it's too much, just dab it away, like so. Now I'll take a highlighter from Colourpop. This is also my favorite. This is the Super Shock Cheek in Wisp. It looks like this. It's so pretty. And I'm just going to use a highlighter brush. So I'll just take some highlighter and place it on the highest points. I'm following the natural highlight that's coming from within, like so. To be a bit extra, putting another layer on top. So now I'm going to take an actual powder highlight. I'm going to take the Soft and Gentle by MAC bag, and I'll just build it up on the same places, back the high points. And just work it in the skin, like so. Ooh, maybe this should have called glazed donut look instead of a potato. Normally I would have put another highlighter on top, but let's keep it simple today. To finish the whole face, I'm going to use this Fix gold light from MAC. And it's so pretty, it's really pretty. It's so pretty, and I'm going to use it on my face. And it has like this little gold flakes in the spray itself, so it gives this quite golden finish. So I'm going to prep my lips with this Jeffree Star Filler lip scrub in Watermelon Gum. This is my favorite. I'm obsessed with it. I like to use my beauty blender again for my lips because I have quite pigmented lips. I'm going to try a lip tint with a sparkly gloss on top of that. So this is the Etude House Dear Darling Water Tint, and it looks like this. It's so pretty. Put it on my lips. And I'm not sure which gloss to take. Not sure which moment I'm feeling. I'll try this one. This is the Jouer lip topper in Skinny Dip, and it's really the prettiest ever. And it smells amazing. It smells sweet, it smells like cake. Now I'm going to use that MAC Fix Plus Cold Light one more time. And here's my finished look, looking like a glazed or like a glowy potato, if you may. Don't forget to hit that like button, and if you want to see more of these kind of videos, let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on our next date. Bye!